Looking for the best fuel system cleaner to keep your engine running smoothly? In this video, we're reviewing the top 3 fuel system cleaners of 2024 that will boost your vehicle's performance, improve fuel economy, and extend engine life. Whether you're driving a high-mileage vehicle or just want to maintain peak engine efficiency, these powerful additives will have your car performing like new. Stay tuned to find the perfect one for you. Number 3. Chevron Techron High Mileage Fuel System Cleaner is an excellent product designed for vehicles with higher mileage. It effectively restores lost power and performance by removing gum, varnish, and other deposits that can accumulate over time. This 12-ounce cleaner is perfect for keeping engines running smoothly, especially in older vehicles. One of the standout features of this cleaner is its ability to maximize fuel economy. By keeping your engine clean, it prevents deposits that can reduce efficiency, helping your vehicle maintain optimal fuel consumption. For drivers looking to protect their investment, the corrosion inhibitors in Techron High Mileage Fuel System Cleaner are invaluable. These inhibitors protect metal components from various types of corrosion, ensuring the longevity of both the fuel system and the fuel gauge sensor. Compatibility is another strength of this product. Whether your vehicle runs on regular gasoline or ethanol blends, this cleaner provides full protection without any issues. User reviews speak highly of its performance. One user noted significant improvements in fuel economy on their 2007 4Runner, achieving an impressive 22 to 24 mpg for a V6 or WD SUV with 170,000 miles. Another praised the prompt delivery and condition of the product upon arrival. Overall, Chevron Techron High Mileage Fuel System Cleaner is a must-have for anyone looking to keep their high-mileage vehicle running smoothly. Its ability to restore performance, improve fuel efficiency, and protect against corrosion makes it a reliable choice for maintaining engine health over time. Number 2. Gumout 51001 High Mileage Fuel Injector Cleaner is a reliable solution for engines with more than 75,000 miles. Designed to remove carbon deposits from fuel injectors, intake valves, and ports, this product restores engine performance and fuel economy while preventing future buildup. It's safe for use in turbocharged and supercharged vehicles, making it versatile for a wide range of applications. Recommended for use every 3,000 miles. Gumout ensures your engine stays clean and efficient over time without voiding your manufacturer's warranty. The cleaner is also oxygen sensor safe, giving you peace of mind about long-term engine health. Users have reported noticeable improvements in performance after using this cleaner. One customer saw an increase in fuel economy from 18 mpg to 21 mpg on their 2011 Toyota Highlander with 117,000 miles, noting smoother acceleration. Another user observed smoother idling in their 1994 Camry after adding the cleaner to a full tank of gas, expressing satisfaction with the product's performance. In summary, Gumout 51001 High Mileage Fuel Injector Cleaner offers an easy and effective way to maintain and improve the performance of high-mileage vehicles, making it a worthwhile addition to your car maintenance routine. Number 1. Lucas Oil 10003 Fuel Treatment is the world's leading fuel additive for both gasoline and diesel engines. This versatile fuel treatment offers a powerful tune-up in a bottle, designed to increase fuel economy, improve performance, and extend the life of your engine. One of the standout features of this product is its ability to clean and lubricate the entire fuel system, including fuel injectors, carburetors, and the combustion chamber. By improving fuel flow and reducing deposit buildup, Lucas Oil 10003 increases power and acceleration. Additionally, it neutralizes harmful contaminants like sulfur, ensuring a cleaner, more efficient fuel system. For those looking to maximize their vehicle's lifespan, this fuel treatment also helps increase the life of pumps and injectors. User reviews highlight its effectiveness in improving fuel economy and overall engine performance. One user reported a noticeable jump in mileage from 28 to 29 mpg to the low 30s in city driving after using the product, praising its ability to enhance their turbo engine's performance. Another user, who had experienced issues with their diesel engine after a fuel contamination incident, found that Lucas Oil 10003 eliminated black smoke and rough running, significantly improving their engine's performance. In conclusion, Lucas Oil 10003 fuel treatment is an excellent choice for anyone looking to optimize their engine's performance, whether you drive a gasoline or diesel vehicle. It not only improves fuel economy, but also ensures smoother acceleration and better overall power. With its ability to clean and protect the fuel system, this product offers exceptional value for maintaining engine health and efficiency over time. Thanks for watching our review of the top 3 best fuel system cleaners in 2024. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and car maintenance tips. Let us know in the comments which cleaner you're excited to try, or if you have any favorites of your own. Keep your engine running smoothly, and we'll see you in the next video.